pero parang may paalala ka ngayon, ka-Partner Chris.
Ayun, oo, ito naman yung kada programa natin, ano, lagi tayong merong tax reminder. Ayun.
Yun.
So for tonight, ano ba yung number one natin na ire-remind? So August 29, ito po ay sa tomorrow, e-filing or filing and e-payment ng ating quarterly income tax returns of for corporations, partnership, and other non-individuals. So, kasama din po dito yung summary alpha list of withholding taxes o yung SAUTI for the quarter ending June 30, 2025. Then, on August 30, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung deadline din ng online registration through ORUS, computerized books of accounts and other accounting records, fiscal year ending July 31, 2025. Next, submission of proof of e-file BIR Form 1702 for regular tax, exempt, or mixed with audited financial statement or AFS, BIR Form 1709 kung applicable po kayo dyan, and other attachment through electronic audited financial statements or yung AFAS natin tinatawag, EAFS or manual. So, fiscal year ending April 30, 2025. Kasama din po dyan yung soft copies of inventory list and schedules stored and saved in DVD-R or USB properly labeled together with notarized sworn declaration. Ito naman ay sa mga fiscal year ending July 31, 2025. Next reminder is e-submission ng quarterly summary list of sales and purchases, importations by a VAT-registered taxpayers, EFPS filers. So, fiscal quarter ending July 31, 2025. Ayon.